keeps talking about LDAP. What is it? Today, I'm going to tell you a story about how computers keep track of who can get in and what they can do. It's a story about LDAP, the Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. Think of LDAP like the school's attendance book, but for big networks full of computers and users.
Hi everyone, I'm Lad, and I help computers find information about users and resources, like who's allowed to access what on a network, using a system called LDAP.
LDAP was created back in 1993 as a lightweight alternative to a heavy and complicated system called Directory Access Protocol, DAP for short. Over time, LDAP evolved through versions, and version 3 being the most common today.
Each LDAP version added new features, but also came with some challenges, especially about security.
Here's where our story gets interesting. In the early days, LDAP didn't encrypt messages between computers. It was like sending secret notes in class without folding them. Anyone could read them.
Exactly. This made LDAP vulnerable to man-in-the-middle attacks, where a hacker could eavesdrop and steal usernames and passwords.
As LDAP matured, version 3 introduced better ways to protect these messages, using encryption like SSL or TLS. Think of it as folding those notes and writing it in code.
But even today, if you don't use these protections, attackers can still snoop on or tamper with information.
Another big problem is called LDAP Injection. Imagine someone sneaking a fake name into the attendance book to get into restricted areas. If systems don't fully check user inputs, hackers can trick LDAP commands and get unauthorized access.
This can lead to data leaks or even letting hackers change or delete important information. To stop this, apps must sanitize inputs, basically double-check before trusting any info.
And just recently, some severe vulnerabilities were found in LDAP implementations on major systems like Microsoft's Active Directory. Hackers could cause servers to crash or even take control without being detected if systems were patched.
So, keeping LDAP software updated and properly configured is super important. It's like fixing holes in your school's fence to keep out troublemakers.
So to sum it up, LDAP is like the school's attendance and permission book for networks. It's evolved through a lot of versions, getting more secure over time, but it still needs strong protections like encryption, input validation, and timely updates to keep hackers out. And I'd like to thank you for watching.